Hello, Darkmoon doll here. Just thought I'd share a little bit of my day-to-day with you. Today is Saturday. I loaded up one part to the two-part series I've been doing where I'm reviewing that TV show, that 70s show. So you can check out my other channel, the Productive Cannabis Connoisseur, and see that video, that two-part show. Coming up, the first part's already up, so you can catch that. So that's what I finished doing this morning. For this afternoon, I've been working on finishing up art projects to put up onto my shop, and I'm looking forward to doing a video. I think it's a part 3 of the video that I did on how to make making jewelry from plastic bottles. So someone had asked me if I could do a video about that. So I took these plastic bottles and cut them up in strips, melted them down with a lighter at first, then I tried using a candle. The lighter I felt was more effective to shape the beads, and I wrapped the plastic around, what was it that I used? I think it was an old paintbrush, and I was able to get these beads, make beads out of it. So then in another video I showed how I painted them with nail enamel, and then I said that once I found or bought some like glittery and metallic nail enamel, I would put a little finish coat on it to I don't know, just make it look more interesting, more magical. So I got the sparkly nail enamel, so I'm gonna probably do that, something like that later on today. So look forward to that. The air is a little bit better here in California. So you can see there's more clouds in the sky. It's a little bit cooler in the morning, so that helps with the fire situation. So still just really feels dirty. And I woke up feeling like I have a cold. So I do feel like a lot of these environmental things are supposed to be natural aren't so natural, if you know what I'm saying. Alrighty guys, I will see you soon. Take it easy. Thanks for subscribing, thanks for liking, and thanks for sharing these videos with your friends and family. And feel free to leave any comments you like about what's going on in your world and how you're getting through. It looks a little bit busy today because it's a weekend, so everybody's out just taking it easy. And yeah, and getting strange looks from people in cars as always. It doesn't matter where I'm at, I'm always getting strange looks. Anyway, I carry on. So thanks for joining me. If you'd like to support this channel, you could donate $1 or more to my PayPal at kdaddytmama@comcast.net, and include a question you'd like to see on an upcoming show. Not required to do so to watch the videos on this channel, but people have asked how they can support my channel, so that's how you can do it. Alrighty guys, I will see you soon. Greatest blessings to you all.